Good morning, Miller Mustangs. Today is December 9th, and this is this week's Mustang Message. To begin with some updates. The SBSA has been revised and approved by School Site Council. Some highlights of changes are we changed our outreach mentor from a half-time employee to a full-time employee. We added EWRs for our teacher tutors, leadership, and our PBIS team. We also added SBAs so that we can add grade level meetings for the spring in the hopes that we get substitutes. And then we arrange funding so that we can do our extended day classes and ELD extended day classes for the spring. I sent out emails for people that are interested in teaching extended day classes. If you are interested and you haven't emailed me, please make sure that you do that. I'm also going to be meeting with Rebecca Herrick to reallocate funds from CBEDS. That meeting is going to be happening this week, and then I will present that plan to School Site Council later on in December. The Fessler Cluster Principals are going to be meeting at Miller on Tuesday at the end of the day. We are going to review the District Tier 1 plan. We are going to discuss cluster alignment to make sure that the feeder schools into Fessler are working towards the same plan. And then we're going to review the work that some of the schools have done with Katie White. Katie White will be coming to Miller in the spring. And then Trinity and I are going to be doing an Achieve 3000 training on Friday. The objective is to understand the intent of Achieve 3000, and then we will bring that learning to the staff in January. Some reminders. We have a couple of events this week. First grade is going to be going to the Altrusa Christmas trees at the mall. We also have child safe training for first and fourth grades. We have Miller Dare graduation for sixth grade today at 1 o'clock. And then we have the district Dare graduation at the Elks Club on Friday at 9:30. We have an all-day leadership team meeting on Tuesday. We're going to start in the conference room at 8 a.m. And then after lunch, we're going to move over to Sousa. We will be reviewing the work that we've done on running records and next steps with Cindy Grennan. And then we're going to prepare our plan for the second half of the school year, January through June. And then all of that will be presented to the staff on Thursday. We have our Student of the Month celebration this Friday at 8 a.m. Please turn in names to Miss Steffi no later than Tuesday at the end of the day so that she can prepare certificates and contact parents. We will be doing our Minute to Win It game with first grade, so please choose a student participant and come ready to play. And then our Miller Holiday Party is this Saturday, the December 14th at Sarah Outland's house. Bring a food item to share, a beverage, and a Secret Santa gift. All right, some shout outs. Thank you to Miss Haynes and Miss Leidig for informing the staff of the new lice policy. It ignited some great staff conversation. Thank you to Miss Burgess for organizing the Light the School with Kindness campaign and getting the canned food drive organized with student council. Thank you to Mr. Wood for supporting some fourth grade teachers so that they could complete their observations. Thank you to Miss Castro and Miss Smith for being flexible last week with the Altrusa field trip and flipping dates. Thank you to Miss Ramsey for being flexible with your guest teacher schedule. Thank you to Miss Namba and Miss Tobin for stepping in as substitutes at the last minute last week. Thank you to Miss Reed for rescheduling your observation. Thank you for our substitute custodian, Mr. Wan, for subbing for our current custodian, Mr. Wan, on such short notice. Thank you to Miss Hamilton and Miss Martita for conducting a home visit on Friday afternoon. Thank you to Ms. Perez and Ms. Burgess, the cheerleaders and student council for representing Miller Schools at the Christmas parade, and for all staff for responding to the rainy day schedule and for opening your doors to for our students. As always, if you have shout outs, please email them to me so that I can include them in future Mustang messages. All right, Miller family, that's it. Please remember to ignite a love of learning that empowers each other to affect positive change in the world, and have a great week.